Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be making some Guyanese buns. In here I have 2 cups of flour. I'll add half a cup of whole wheat. Add in 1 stick of butter, basil butter. So now I'll just mix it up. Break up the butter. Break it up until it becomes like breadcrumbs. Check it out here. So I'll add 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mixing everything together. One cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix everything up. Add in another 1/4 cup of milk, so 1 1/4 cup of milk. Add in 1 cup of coconut, shredded coconut. Mix again. I made a splatter there. Cleaning up after. So these buns, my husband really loved these buns. He takes one every day to his work for snack. So I'm out of buns today. The last one he took today, so I'm making some fresh one here. He really likes it. He said it's tasty, so I'm trying my best here again. Anyways guys, this is how I make my buns. And it's my husband's favorite. A big shout out to him. He helped grate the coconut, so big shout out to him for doing that. So it's easier for me. Check it out here. Adding 1/4 cup of cranberry. Cranberry give it a nice color. So I'll be peeling some walnut here. My husband usually do that, but he forgot to peel it yesterday. So I'll just peel a couple and add it to my buns. He loves it with walnut. So I'll leave this and I'll come back and add the walnut. So I'll take a look at the buns with the cranberry inside, looking so good. So I bought all these walnut here. My husband forgot to peel it yesterday. Check it out, nice and fresh walnut. So I'll just crack some to put in the buns. So here, this is an easy walnut cracker. So I'll just put the walnut in here and just go like that. And it'll open up itself. So check it out here. Easy to peel. So I'll try another one. Walnut inside. Check it out here. Gotta be careful with these shells here. Easy to comes off. So I'll continue with it. One more. Gotta be careful with the shells. So I have to do some cleaning up here. Rushing to take my daughter to school. So I'm just peeling a couple here. To work, I mean. Check it out. So it only takes like 2 minutes. Check it out. When doing this, wear a safety glass like me. Check it out. My safety glass. My husband, not mine. So I have like half a cup of walnut in here. I already peel. Now I'll crush it up by just using a spoon. Zip it up and just use a spoon at the back and break it up into pieces. here we have walnut pieces. Check it out, nice and fresh walnut. So here I have half a cup of the walnut pieces. Not a piece left in. Buns look so nice. Again guys, this is my husband's favorite. His snacks for work. Check out the buns here, looking so good. So now it's ready for the air fryer on bake. Check it out here. So I have my air fryer pan here. I'll just spray some palm spray on it. And I'll add the buns to it. I'm adding the buns to the pan. I cannot find my ice cream scoop guys, so I'm using a spoon here. The kids put it somewhere when I went away, so I cannot find it. I might have to buy another one. I have a small one, but it's too small. So keep adding the buns here. I have the small one, but it's too small. Check out the buns here guys. Check it out here. Put it in the air fryer for 45 minutes, unload, and I'll come back and show you when it's done. I made some chicken curry earlier today. Check it out here. Check out the color, so nice. Chicken curry and rice. I haven't had this for a long time, so I made some nice chicken curry. I want to show you. Check out the color. So I put the buns in the air fryer and it's on bake. 250 on bake, and I'll bake it for like 40 minutes on slow. It's on slow heat. Check out the buns here. Check it out here, looking so nice. So this is like 15 minutes now, so another 15 minutes, let's see, and then I'll check it. There it is. Check out my buns, looking so good. Check out the buns now, looking good. Buns is done. Check it out here. Gotta pull it out, look a bit more there. But check out the rest, looking so nice. All done. Check it out. Anyways guys, check out the buns here, looking so good. Check it out. Nice Guyanese buns. Thank you so much for watching. I hope how you like my buns turns out, and share with your friends. Like and subscribe if you like my buns how it turns out. Bye bye.